And I would love to thank at the same time, because some particular answers you can only get when you actually reach in that peaceful state. If everything is taken from you, if that time also you are able to stay peacefully, that means now the control is in your hand. That means you are not the servant, your mind is your servant. But in a very unfortunate and I'm very sad to say that most people, even learned people, I mean formally learned, formally, so those learned people, they have become the slave of their mind. The mind should be your slave, but if you become the slave of your mind, now imagine what will be the future. Because mind is like a child. Dil to bachcha hai ji, right? Dil to bachcha hai ji. If you just leave a child alone, do not control the child, and there's a busy road out there, there's a high chance accident will take place. Our mind is exactly like that. So if you do not take charge of the mind, and if you do not learn how to control the mind, there's a high chances that there will be accidents. What kind of accident? Stress, anxiety, fear, worry, depression, insomnia, suicide, all these kind of activities are the consequences. Now, the moment you understand that you have the ability and qualification to control your mind and to take full benefit, then your life is in a next level. It is all the planning of nature. As you get more and more problem, you solve them, you grow. This is the actual cycle, natural cycle, healthy cycle, which allows you to become mature, focused, mature, serious, and truly knowledgeable. So mind actually easily get disturbed and into wavering state. This is because it is a planning of nature. Because mind is so much powerful software, so much powerful thing. It has an ability, a miraculous ability. When I go into meditative state for 4-5 hours, I just for experiment purpose, I also, my highest state was 5 hours without moving. I was sitting for 5 hours without moving. And I tried to go inside. I tried to, whatever I have learned hard, I need to now this time experiment. Then I understood what those sages, Rishi, Maharaj, what they wanted to say. That is, mind has an extremely powerful ability that wherever it focuses, it gets zoomed in. Wherever it focuses, it gets zoomed in. And the more it focuses, automatically it gets attached. And the more it focuses, it now gets the opportunity to see it in a different point of view. And what you can see, it is impossible to see that same particular thing, even the most learned people in the world. As we all have different fingerprint, tongue print, retina, all these are different. It is not equal to each other. At the same time, when you focus in an ultimate level, what are the things you will be able to see? It is impossible for other people to see and imagine and feel. There will be difference. And that is the good news, that anybody, the good news is anybody of you can become like those sage, like those Muni, Rishi, Maharaj, intelligent like them. It's all about focus. Swami Vivekananda, he actually nailed it properly. The way he said it, I should never forget, and I want all of you not to forget also, is that he said the secret of all spectacular success in our life is your ability to concentrate. Is your ability to concentrate. The secret of all spectacular, not normal success. It's not normal success. Your spectacular success is your ability to concentrate. Now the problem is, this question may come in your mind that, sir, how will I be able to concentrate? You will be able to concentrate by abhyas and vairagya. Abhyas means practice, and vairagya means detachment. This is not a one-day phenomena, but it is guaranteed that this will be gifted to you. Why abhyas and vairagya? It is like a test. For example, if you want to buy something, you will have to pay for that. Why? Because everything has a value. It's not about only money. For example, if you want to get good score, you will also have to pay something. What you will have to pay? Not money, but your patience, your dedication, and your seriousness. This you attention, you will have to pay them. Here, not money. So you will have to pay something each and every moment. You will see, if that is not taken from you, that means anybody can come. There is no filter. So your seriousness matters the most. And the moment you understand that we have been given a system which is very, very much precious and powerful, but the problem is we do not know how to use it properly. It is very, very much dangerous, I think. If you buy a very expensive phone, you immediately devour the user manual, no? How to use it. Any new software, any system you buy, you do not know how to use it. Any particular game equipment, you devour the user manual so that you can enjoy the most or use it properly. Now, I have a question. Please don't mind. Please don't mind. I have a question to all of you. Please do not mind. And the question is, have you ever read your user manual? User manual that actually tells the details about how to use your body and mind. If you have not done it, ask this question to yourself. Why I have not done that? What the hell I was doing? Where I was busy? You will be busy till death if you do not just go inside. If you do not go inside, you will be busy till death. But if you just take a time out and ask few questions to yourself, that what is my purpose? What the hell I am doing here? It will actually give you a bigger picture, and it will give you like a helicopter view, and it will give you the ability to see things from a distance. You are very much stressful, but your teacher is stressful? No, may not be stressful like you, because your teacher is able to see many students like you. He is able to, or she is able to see things from a distance, but you are actually seeing it from a limited view. So important thing is, have you disciplined yourself to see things from a multiple dimensions? Have you asked yourself this question simply? Do I have the ability? What wrong will happen if I just think it from multiple dimensions? This will allow you to see things that probably you are not seeing, and give you the answer that you were searching here and there. And the moment you get answer, you feel good or bad? Definitely good. And sometimes you will see that your effort is also reduced. How many of you are able to connect with me? Just type C, because I'm little bit going into deeper side, and very soon you will be into so much deeper level. For that, I need to check your connection is there or it is out of connection. All of you are connected. Okay.
Abhijit, the session is going pretty interesting. I can see the excitement and unwavering focus here on everything you are talking about.
Okay. Yes. Great. So the thing is, you need to understand that, okay, nothing is to worry, right? Please don't be worried. Don't be worried. Everything is to understand. You will have to understand everything. Nothing is to worry, but everything is to be understood. This is the secret. First of all, secret number one, nothing is to worry. When you go to an expert, your expert is not afraid, because he has tried to understand, and he is still. That is why he is not able to be worried, rather be analytical. The moment you become analytical, your body becomes relaxed, your breathing becomes long and deep. The moment you become like you actually prepone, or you try to live in the future, you start becoming anxious or stressful. So all what you will have to do is to understand this truth, that nothing is to be worried, but everything is to be understood. Right? I just want to do a post-mortem here. How many of you want to see a post-mortem of worry? And you will never worry after this. Just type I. If you really want to see the post-mortem, I'm just going to show you right now. I'm just going to do a live post-mortem in front of you. All of you are excited. Very good. See, why we worry? This is a post-mortem, right? If all of you are able to see my whiteboard, just type C. C means clear. If you clearly can see the, okay.